Hey YouTube, how's it going? It's your boy Frame Keys. You might know me as Frame Keys, Frame Codes, depending on which one of my channels you watch. Anyways, today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make just a very easy jump game where players can literally jump from platform to platform. You could call it a simple platformer game. Basically, they're just going to jump from like one place or platform to the other. Each platform they touch is just going to give them points, and then falling off is going to make them restart at the spawn. Pretty simple, okay? It doesn't really need, all you need is basically, all I'm going to show you is you need parts for your platforms, like one really small script, just for the fact that they need to score points. Honestly, guys, there's nothing complex. There's no complex tools. I'm not teaching you guys how to do UI. There's no inventory needed. Let's just get right into it. It's very simple. Basics, just to make your game just really fun, okay? So first step, server script service. What you want to do is you want to insert a script, okay? This is going to be our Leaderstats Script. So we're going to call it Leaderstats Script. Perfect. All right. So this is just our very simple what's gonna make our game just work, okay? Player added. Awesome. So there you go. There's your Leaderstats script. I do not see any errors with my code. I just always have to make sure. But yeah, this is our Leaderstats script. Very simple. So back in our workspace, you can either use here to create a new part, or you can just literally go to your place and you can just find the part icon and you can insert a part. Okay. I'm going to just make like 4. You can make several if you want. I think 4 is a good number. Just make several platforms. For the purposes of this, what we want to do is we always want to make sure that anchored is set to true, just because they do need to be able to, they need to be able to have them be touched, you know? So anchored is true. There you go. Honestly, I'm just gonna like color them differently. There you go, there's one, and then here's another one. We can make it that color. I want to make sure that they're like jumpable. Like, yeah, we'll make them really close together so that way we can literally ensure that they are jumpable. It honestly doesn't matter how you color them, just as long as you're able to kind of like differentiate. You could do all the colors of the rainbow. I lied. I'm not doing 4. I'm doing all of these. I think this is enough. That's good, right? I'll just make one more and I'll make the last one red. All right, really red. Perfect. Okay, so there we go. We have our our little platforms. You could like call all of them something. Like you could call all of them platform. Probably should have done that at the start. That's what I'm doing. All right, so. They're on our base plate. Again, we have all these platforms. Make them right next to your spawn if you want, or just put them at the level you want them to go, okay? All right, so next step, inside each of these platforms, we're gonna make a script, okay? And this is just basically gonna be like how the players score on the like just make how they get points. Okay, so basically in summary, if I were to summarize what I just coded for you, it's just each time a player touches the platform, they're literally going to get 1 point. Okay, I'm just going to copy this code. I'm just going to put it in literally. I know this is probably not the right way to do it, but who cares? We're going to put it in all of these. Guys, don't do what I'm doing. Just make your platform, put your script in. Just make one platform, put your script in, and then just duplicate the whole platform, and it's gonna automatically do that. Like for example, if I decide to duplicate this and move it over, and I turn this to a nice blue color, look, it's still gonna have the script. Okay, you know what I mean? So it's still gonna have the same script. Okay, so there we go. Here are all our platforms, and that's perfect. So last thing, if you guys want, like, I can make a big, like, or well, not you can make a really big kind of kill zone underneath. And what I mean by that is this. You can make it really, you can move it down just a little. Right. Perfect. You can even scale it down. And if you want to, you can scale. What I'm trying to do, guys, if you guys kind of understand what I mean, is just to make like all of these. Here, let's make these a little higher. Perfect. 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 And then perfect. Okay. Yeah, all I'm really trying to do, guys, is make like just like the floor underneath just deadly. Okay? We could call it, I don't know, what if you want to call it, like the death zone. I know it's a little bit dramatic, but you guys get the picture. You can turn it to any real color if you want to make. I'll just make it that. It's obviously not a menacing color, but it's fine. So inside of our death zone, we're gonna make a new script. We're gonna call it the death zone script, just because that's how cool we are. And it's kind of like gonna be like the respawn floor. Okay, so local. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. At the end, it's just, this is what I mean when I say like, just respawn. Just respawn. How cool. All right, there you go. Wow. Okay, so guys, I gave you like the complete, I gave you guys the complete, like, beginner friendly as much as I can mini game. You guys can literally finish this in like as quick as time as possible now that you have all the things. And if you don't do what I did and like do all this, but hey, this is basically improv, guys. I just thought about a cool video idea and I just kind of opened Studio and I just kind of went about it. And that's what you guys can do. Make your own game, start earning Robux. Hey guys, this is the way of the world, man. Make sure you guys get on this trend if you guys are passionate about game development, okay? If you want in the future, if this video gets like 30 likes, I'm gonna make like a even better, like just a game where you can click to score points. Like, I know it sounds really simple. It's like the simplest possible way, and you guys can market it as, oh, click to earn, you know, not Robux, because that would be misleading, but something like that. And so let's try it out, okay? Let me move this down, okay? Perfect. And let's play. All right, so I don't even think I'm gonna be able to make this jump. There you go. Well, at least it's showing that it works. Yeah, okay. Let me just stop, and let me just scale this bad boy just a little closer. Just a little closer like that. Perfect. I think that should be good, right? There you go. All right. Here's our points. I mean, you know, it's kind of increasing a little bit fast, but the point is, like, you just basically get points as you jump on them. And yeah, that's the best I could do, you guys. I think you guys kind of get the point. I think it's pretty fun. You guys could even say it's like as you step, you get points, which is basically what this is. As you're stepping, you're getting points. Again, I'm kind of new to Roblox Studio. I'm trying to educate myself as best I can, like based off of YouTube videos I watch, like, you know, some of the old guys too. For example, like Alvin Blocks. I know he's kind of, I don't know if you guys watch him too, but anyways, there are a lot of great coders out there, and I'm also trying to learn. So from the knowledge I gain, I'm trying to like turn it into a game. And that's actually what I'm doing right now. I'm working on like a little project that I'm gonna be releasing to Roblox, like probably sometime next year though. But anyways, yeah, because it takes a really long time too. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, check out my main channel. I do more fun stuff there if you guys find this stuff boring. But then again, if you find this stuff boring, don't watch it. It's your problem. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out. It's Frame Keys.